It speaks for itself. Wigs. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well, being safe. Today in this video we are going to talk about wigs, and as you can see from the title, I overplucked mine, so I'm gonna fix it. Before we get started, please be sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe and leave a comment, okay? So this is the wig that I got. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it, okay? So this is the wig, right? I got her back in 2017. I think this is like 20 inches maybe. It's full lace and it was like straight, right? Or like curled, I don't remember. This is my very first human hair wig. Very first, right? I did not know anything about wigs. I still do not know anything about wigs, but I'm learning, I'm studying, I'm getting better and better. And so I just started ordering a bunch of wigs, right? And I forgot about her. So I decided that I wanted to do something with her, and then I looked at it and I saw the middle part, and I remembered why I stopped wearing it. I'm gonna try to show y'all. Can you see? Let me see if it focuses. I hope you can see that. That is a gaping bald spot. That is a gaping bald spot. This is not a part, okay? She's a mess, honey. And the reason this happened was because I didn't know anything about bleaching knots, and I think I was really scared about doing it, so I didn't bleach it thoroughly enough. And I thought that if you could still see the knots after you bleached it, that just meant that it needed to be plucked. So I plucked every freaking dot out of the freaking part until I couldn't see it anymore, and it just left a giant hole, like a straight giant freaking hole, okay? So this is a hot mess, but I don't want to throw this wig away because I spent like at the time decent amount of money for what I had, and so I'm not throwing this wig away, so I'm gonna fix her. In the last video you saw that really pretty wig that I had on, right? So I ordered that from Arabella. With every wig that you buy from there, they give you like this free bang thing. And so I said, ding, 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 light bulb went off. I can cover this gaping hole with this bang, you know? Very cute, right? And then I took it a step further. I said, I am going to make this a bob, okay? So, please, I hope this goes well. I'm really gonna try my hardest to do well. Again, new to the wig game. Never really did a good job with wigs, still learning, so bear with me. But let's get straight into it. Sorry for that long intro, I just wanted to give y'all the backstory. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I got my two little Pippi Longstocking braids under here. Okay, so don't judge me. I'm gonna go ahead and put this light skin wig cap on. I say that because it's way too light for me, but it's mimicking my scalp, so it doesn't really matter. Also, this is going to be a glueless look. I'm not gluing this down because that is a lot, and I'm not going to be leaving this on. So, again, pray for me that this goes well. Oh, another reason why I'm cutting this wig is because, baby, the density is like 115, 120. It's so thin. Like, y'all see this? Okay, look at this little hole, all right? Look. You see that? That's thin. That is so thin, okay? And that was the wig, like, cap piece. Very thin, so hot mess. But we're gonna go ahead and install her. I'm just going to be putting her on with the combs. So like I said, I'm not gluing it down today. I'm just putting all the combs in. Oh, baby. I wouldn't know how to pluck yet either, I see. So she's a helmet, okay? She's giving you helmet. She's giving you biker gang Blue 42, any other sport that requires a helmet. Okay, so yes, down, sit, hot. No, this looks crazy, but I promise it's gonna look better. I'm gonna take my hot comb that's heating up right now, and I'm just gonna flatten it out a little bit, because child, this is a hot mess. This is a hot mess. And I know this looks crazy too, but it's not gonna matter because I'm gonna put my bangs on it, my clip-on bangs. All right, so one thing I will say that has helped me a lot with wigs is this tool right here. I will link it in the description below. I don't understand how people can like lay their wigs without this tool. You're like a magician to me, because this is like life-changing. I'm gonna go ahead and just start at the front portion of my hair and make sure the part, or the hole as I should say, is there, and we're just gonna flatten her out. You see the difference that made? That was one time through, and it's not flat yet, but look at that. Look at that versus that. That's crazy. So I'm just gonna do that throughout the entire head. Okay, so I just wanted to take a second to show you guys the difference. I know it looks like kind of like pinhead-ish up here. It looks like it's like a pinhead type of situation going on, but that's only because I plucked it like crazy in this one specific spot, and so there's like little, I don't know if y'all can see these little tiny pieces of hair, but guess what? I got something for that too. Okay, I'm literally at war with my former self right now with this wig. I'm fighting her, okay, and she's not gonna win. Okay, so we're just gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep on pressing out this entire wig. We're gonna press out everything. We're gonna press away our bad thoughts. Okay, we're gonna press away our, ouch! Ouch! Ow, I just burned myself. She's fighting me back, y'all. She's fighting me back. But anyways, we're gonna press away toxic relationships. We're gonna press away all of this stuff. I'm just gonna keep on pressing, okay? Okay, so now that I'm done pretty much just getting it to a manageable place, I know it still looks crazy, but I promise y'all we're gonna get there. What I'm gonna do now is take this thing right here. It's called Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. I really like this. It just does a really good job at holding any type of wig or weave in place. I know a lot of hairstylists use it, and this is also a life-changing tool. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna lay it at the tops of my head like this so it can lay flatter, and then we're gonna move on to the cutting. Okay, so even the foam by itself just did an incredible job. Guess what I'm finna do again? I'm finna take that hot comb and I'm gonna run it right back through it. I don't know if this is something that you're supposed to do, but I really need this to lay flat, so desperate times call for desperate measures. So I'm just gonna do the exact same thing I did in the first step. This time, that foam is really gonna help reinforce what I'm trying to achieve here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that also did something. Like, that is crazy. It's already looking a lot better, okay? A lot better. Let me pull this wig cap forward a little bit. I know it doesn't matter, but it's driving me crazy. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is split the hair in two. Now, child, one thing I don't know how to do is cut no hair. Okay, I really don't know how to cut hair, but I also don't know how to lay wigs, and we finna get through that too. So we just gotta believe in ourselves, okay? We manifesting a beautiful bob. That's what we doing right now. We manifesting, okay? Ooh, beautiful bob, beautiful bob. Nice gowns, beautiful bobs, okay? All right, I'm just gonna separate the two. And then what I'm gonna do is put two elastics like right where I want the bob to fall. Let me see. I'm gonna do it a little bit below where I want the bob to fall, because you can cut more, but you can't cut less. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so we got our hair secured and our two elastics. Hopefully, I'm gonna take it a little bit longer. I want them to be as even as possible, child. Okay. All right, so now, where's my shears? Shears. So I'm gonna take my shears. We're gonna cut. Oh, okay. I'm gonna cut right above the elastic. Okay, right above it. Let me make sure these are even. Right. Okay. Whew. We got one. We got one. Okay. All right. Oh, hold on. Oh, we getting somewhere, y'all. This is gonna look. You gotta manifest it. You gotta manifest it. Okay. I'm gonna take this side and we're gonna do the exact same thing. Okay. She's here. She's here. She's not thin anymore, honey. Okay. All right. So I already like it. Wow. Okay. She's uneven, but that's okay. Like very uneven. Like extremely what did I do? What did I? It's okay. So I'm gonna go and just fix some of the pieces that are a little bit longer than what I would prefer. And then yeah, okay. I think I want to install the bangs first. Yeah, I want to install the bangs and then we'll style the whole head, okay? All right, so I have my bangs. Like I said, these are the bangs that came from Arabella, and again, they give these with their hair, or at least that's the special that was going on when I purchased my wig from there. So we're gonna use this. I don't know if they're exactly the same color, because I went through a phase where I liked my hair to be very, very black when I got this wig, and I'm not sure if I think that this is that color, but it don't matter. So we're gonna install her because it's gonna look good anyway. Okay, so before we get back into those bangs, I realized that this is not the length that I wanted the bob to be. I wanted the bob to be a lot shorter. Like I'm giving you Lord Farquaad right now, and that's not what I wanted. I wanted something a little bit closer, kind of like this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do what I did again, but I'm gonna make it shorter before we move on. Yeah, I feel like that. Yes, that's what I'm going for. Okay, so we're securing the bag. Just kidding. Okay, so yeah, I'm thinking, because I'm gonna show y'all this or this. Okay, those styles were the ones that I kind of was attracted to, and so it looks like it's like right at the nape of the neck. Yeah. what I wanted. I want a bob, okay, Bobbiana. Okay, this looks crazy. I'm giving you, I lost my mind during quarantine and I don't know what to do with myself, but guess what? We're gonna give you life anyway. So I'm gonna tuck this part behind my ear so I can really see what I'm doing with my bangs. I look crazy. I look like Parker Hill. He's in that vine. This is a very fringy bang, which is again what I was going for. I don't appreciate that they bumped this already. Who told you I wanted my bangs to be bumped? Okay, I do the bumping. Yes, I do the bumping. Yes, I do the cleaning. So we're just gonna just insert her. This is a clip-on. This is clip-on. Can you see? I've always wanted to do this. Insert her. Not too far back, child, because I like my bangs to be long. And I'm hoping that I don't even have to. Oh, I see the vision. I see the vision. She's coming. Oh, she's coming. She's coming. Oh my gosh. I love it. So now I'm going to fix it, child, because honey, this is a hot mess. So first I'm gonna frame like this portion, I think, of my wig to my face, and so it can kind of fit the bangs a little bit more. So I'm just gonna fray it a little bit with my shears. So I'm gonna take this part of the bang, I'm just gonna kind of go like that. You know what I'm saying? So it kind of fits the bang a little bit more. So it's kind of more of like a, I don't know, you know what I'm trying to say? Look, it fits it more. It just does, okay? I'm gonna do the other side now. Especially this side. She's thick over here. Okay, that's good. That's all I want to do. So now I'm gonna straighten her, bump the ends, whatever I need to do, and then I'm gonna come back, okay? Because I still, you see how this is still like thick back here? I need to fix these parts. So I'm gonna fix it. I might go ahead and just do my makeup too, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I am truly obsessed. I'm giving you Dora the Explorer vibes, like, yes, yes. I of course had to play around with it because the bangs are like kind of irritating me, but I don't care. I think it looks really good. Manifestation works. That's what this video showed me, because y'all, when I tell you I just started wearing wigs last week and I just started styling them, I mean, it didn't take much for this. Honestly, it's not glued down, but I'm just really digging this. Like, stiff wear. I shall be. Of course, like right here, I'll probably add some concealer to match, like, make it a little darker. But yeah, I mean, it speaks for itself. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm so close to 200 subscribers. I know that seems so little, but y'all, like, I'm really trying to grow my channel. I'm really trying to like be consistent and pump out 2 videos a week. That is the goal that I've set for myself. So with this content being pushed, like, subscribing is just so important. So please be sure to subscribe so I can continue to make these videos. And yeah, tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it. If you want more wig videos, let me know. I've been having a blast, clearly. But yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures because this look cannot go unseen. I'm obsessed. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Okay, bye bye.